Hi. My name is Frances Forgione, and my husband and I had been going back and forth between Colorado and Massachusetts until last summer, where we became a full-time resident in Dennis, down in the Cape. By profession, I'm a counselor, a licensed clinical social worker, and a licensed addictions counselor. And I specialize in trauma, anxiety, depression, addiction, grief and loss, and couples therapy. Prior to the vaccines, I was a healthy 60-year-old working out at Orange Theory and doing all kinds of athletics and activities. In the spring of 2021, I got my Moderna vaccines in Plymouth, Massachusetts. I thought I was doing the right thing by myself and other people. My story is not the most severe that you might hear. I might look okay. I'm walking, I'm talking. That's what doctors would say to me. You must be kind of okay. But invisibly, a very painful journey. During the weeks that followed the vaccines, I started to have neurological problems ranging with a range of symptoms. Internal vibrations, buzzing, tingling, burning, my back, my spine, my arms, my legs, my feet, patches throughout my body. I felt like I was living inside an electrical storm like you see on the horizon. I had a bizarre array of pain and symptoms throughout my body. On a good day, my clothes on my body would feel like sandpaper that burned against my body as it would move and rub throughout the day. On a bad day, it felt like acid under my skin, like shards of glass stuck in my back, and every time I would move with clothes on, it would hurt. I couldn't sleep on a bed because the sheets were painful against my body. I can't wear 90% of clothing that's out there. I found I can tolerate nylon and fleece. Fortunately, I can find a little bit with my medication that I can wear, because without medication, I couldn't tolerate anything. And that would make this a very interesting presentation. It took me on a journey for the next 2 years of over 17 doctors between Colorado and Massachusetts. Some of the best neurologists, rheumatologists, endocrinologists, and more in both states. Many had no idea what would cause this. A few were suspicious about the timing of the vaccines. I underwent a lot of different testing, a lot of blood work to rule out causes. Most of the blood work, MRIs, testing came back normal. Finally led me to an autoimmune specialist in Denver, Colorado. She was very thorough. I had a 5-hour appointment. She drew over 30 vials of blood to do a deeper dive as to what's going on. At the end of all this, her conclusions were 3 diagnoses: small fiber neuropathy with sensory issues, mast cell activation syndrome, and Sjogren's. She drew a direct link to the vaccines that had thrown off my immune system and strongly recommended no more boosters. Trial and error of medications and supplements and diet to help address the problems. As a professional counselor, I can personally and professionally attest to the emotional trauma that some of the medical issues have brought on, with a lack of places to talk openly about this topic without it becoming politicized, shut down, dismissed, ignored. Along with many others, I too have felt the confusion, the anxiety, the fear, and the aloneness. We are weary of being caught in the political crossfires and just need help. We are looking for legitimate discussions, answers, scientific research, and treatments to address the vaccine injuries, regardless of where you fall politically. The bottom line is we just need help. To this day, 2 years later, there's not a single day, not even a single moment, that I don't have some kind of symptoms I'm feeling, even though I look just fine. I am grateful to the doctors that have helped so far. I'm grateful to my family of friends who have witnessed and walked alongside this journey. And I'm grateful to God, who has allowed me to have the courage and the hope to continue this process. I want to say thank you to all of you who organized this, and thank you to all of you who shared your stories. It's really been helpful to me too. Thank you.